Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you 5 genius household hacks that will change the way you tackle those little chores around the house. We're talking about everything from making wood scratches disappear to cleaning up broken glass safely. Stick around because each of these hacks will save you time and effort. Let's jump right in. Got annoying scratches on your wooden furniture? Grab a walnut. The natural oils in the walnut work wonders to make those scratches almost vanish. It's an easy, natural fix for a polished look. See the difference? Now, on to hack number 2. Next up, let's put those old socks to good use. Slip one on your hand, and you've got yourself the perfect dusting tool. No need for fancy dusters. This DIY method will save you money and keep your shelves and blinds dust-free. Hack number 3 is a total game changer for your oven. Cleaning your oven can be a nightmare, but not with this hack. Make a simple paste from baking soda and water, spread it in the oven, and let it sit overnight. The next day, that baked-on grease wipes right off. No harsh chemicals needed. Alright, on to hack number 4. This one's perfect for when you break glass. To pick up those tiny, hard-to-see glass shards safely, just grab a slice of bread. The soft texture of the bread catches all those dangerous little pieces, making cleanup much safer and easier. And just like that, it's gone. Now for our final hack, keeping those lampshades spotless. Lampshades tend to collect dust, and it's not always easy to clean them. But a lint roller makes it simple. Just roll it over and watch all that dust disappear in seconds. It's quick, easy, and super satisfying. And there you have it, 5 quick and clever household hacks that can save you a ton of time. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.